Hey guys, it's Kareem coming to you on location in NYC. I am doing a really vlog style version of my Big Bella Donna crochet reviews, and I decided to just keep it real laid back. I'm not all made up. I'm obviously not in my little home, little studio, but I did want to come and give you my thoughts about the hair I'm currently wearing. That is the Aruba curl from Freetress. So I've been wearing it for a little over a week, and I gotta tell you, I am pleasantly surprised. And in my 5 latchhook rating system, I would actually give this hair a 5 latchhooks up. Now listen, I want you to know what it means when I give something a 5. When I give a hair a 5, it means the hair does exactly what it's supposed to do. It performs pretty well on all of the 3 categories that I rate in: texture, wearability, and versatility. It does not mean the hair is perfect, because there have been some hairstyles that I really liked, but it didn't mean that they didn't have their problems. So for instance, I love this hair because it doesn't mat. It actually keeps this curl very good, and the curl is easily restored. Versus the last hair that I wore, which is that Caribbean beach curl, that was a very tangly, very matty hair. And even though the curls looked beautiful, still around the first few days of the installation, the longer I wore it, the more I had to work to maintain those luscious curls. With this hair, even though it kind of looks pretty dull and stuff today, because I'm serious, I just didn't put a whole lot of work in it, and that's partly why I have the scarf on. I can wear it, or I have worn it for over a week without having to really go in and maintain it like I did with the beach curl. I had to go in like the second day or two and really start going in with the product. Well, with this hair, I didn't have to do that. It was over a week before I laid one product to my hair. And for me, tangling isn't as bad as matting. When it gets all thick and you just have to really start detangling, have a real detangle process. That for me is not fuss-free hair. This for me is fuss-free hair because it's easily manageable. Versatility is great, lightweight, wearability, texture is nice and soft. It really just hits all the marks, so that's why it gets those 5 latchhooks up. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and go back and look at all the videos you have not caught up on. Subscribe for the brand new ones hot off the press, and I will see you in the next video.